I'm basically from Bell Labs, who did some of the fundamental work. These are the components that you want to think. Number one is the memory density and cost of memory. There are different levels of memory, all the way to disk storage to SSDs, and now you come back to cache. That's very important. Memory is important for computing processing, right? Number one. And computing capability of the processors, multi-core, there are 100, etc. Massively parallel processors that are being created. How are they created? That's the next component. Then next to that is the speed, because as he was rightfully saying, things change. I ran an application services providers company in 1999 when we thought everything was okay, but the speed was the problem. Right now, you may say there's a lot of speed available, but the amount of data that you send and receive back and contention, over time becomes a thing. So it's the speed and how the speed can keep up. That's the next part, right? And then the premises or the user part side of the computing world, how that scales up compared to the cloud. Cloud is basically a bunch of network servers, high end, right? And then how you can arbitrate the traffic, how you can get back. Are you trying? Can you do when someone said, is it multimedia heavy one, bandwidth requirement, heavy processing requirement, heavy data requirement, as in anything else. So these are all the things that all depends on the industry, which grows fast and so on. There are limitations from physics that stop some of them growing faster.